Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So, first of all, let's simply go into our settings. Then let's go into the display and brightness, and right under brightness level we have screen brightness with automatic brightness currently being disabled. This means that, well, our auto brightness feature isn't really working. It's also important to distinguish between automatic brightness and sunlight mode, which will actually adjust the brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going too dark. And it's pretty important to notice, let me lower it down, that you can't have both enabled. Even though the sunlight mode technically could act like automatic brightness, but just to make sure, let's disable this and let's enable the automatic brightness. And as you can see, it automatically bumps my brightness, which is pretty self-explanatory. And finally, we can also go into reading mode and make sure that if you have this turned on, then your colors might change slightly. It's of course depending on your own preference with the colors, but it could change the colors, giving you the illusion that something is pretty off. And if your automatic brightness is still not working after enabling and making sure that it's enabled, you can always reboot your device, and you can do that by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button, like this, and then going to reboot. It's pretty silly, I know, but trust me, it does really help. This is because whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including the sensors that are responsible for detecting the light level around you. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.